a demo for you. But before we get to the demo, say hello to the one, the only, your favorite veteran and mine, Sergeant Pyro.
Oh.
Sergeant Pyro, what in the world are you holding?
We got Dizzy Disco from TNT Fireworks.
TNT me! Oh my goodness. This looks like something you would have seen in the movie in 1977, right? Saturday Night Fever. Yeah, so Dizzy Disco. I got a feeling, because we've been looking at this looks like a spinner. And well, okay, now don't be impressed. It does say item rotate. So, yes, we did know that. So let's go ahead and actually rotate it. Oh, cool. Oh, look at the colors. We're already getting that fancy disco. Okay. Yeah, all right. I don't know how many people. By the way, if you love disco music, let us know in the comments down below, and let us know who's your favorite artist from disco. Do you have a favorite disco song there? Nah, I didn't think so. All right, so Sergeant Pyro, are you ready? Let's go Dizzy Disco. Are you ready to go to the street pad?
Yeah!
Whoa, let's disco inferno our way! Sergeant Pyro's got the light on the disco ball. He's actually lighting the disco ball. All right, now Sergeant Pyro, I can tell you right now, he's not going to disco dance, people.
Stay alive! Stay alive!
Whoa! All right, whoa! Amazing ball! Hey, that was pretty cool. Whoa! And believe it or not, this is TNT. Oh, look at this. Whoa. All right. Oh, there, there it goes. Whoa. Flaming balls. That is cool. Whoa! I don't know if you could spot the light on. Look at it! Look, it's still going. Let me zoom in. Damn! It's like it was on cocaine or something. Right? Look at that thing go! Well, you know what we say? BBQ disco style.